All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to go over the lock workspace. So let's create a new document. We're going to call this lock workspace. We are not going to save this document, so you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to go to graphics and web, or graphic and web, and click on workspace, and we're going to lock the workspace. Essentially what this does is it will not allow you to move the tools around. You can drag it to the left and to the right. You can do that, but you cannot do this, which is why they have this. You can't do this. Okay? So if I went here and I did lock workspace, I wouldn't really. I take that back. Let me reset this. Okay? Now let me lock it. Okay? Now you can see I can't drag it anywhere. That's what the lock is about. You can still pull the panels left and right. They don't have that part locked. They just have the moving part locked. Okay, so that's lock workspace. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.